Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about the RTO 2019 paper first unit question, that is numerical type question. The question given is that the annual peak load on 30 megawatt power station is 25 megawatt. The power station supplies load having maximum demand of 10 megawatt, 8.5 megawatt, 5 megawatt and 4.5 megawatt, and the annual load factor is given 0.45. Then find out average load, energy supplied per year, diversity factor and demand factor. So the given data in the question is the annual peak load on 30 megawatt power station is 25 megawatt. So annual peak load is given 25 megawatt and power plant capacity is given 30 megawatt. Then in next line, maximum demands is given, that is here 10 megawatt, 8.5, 5 and 4.5 megawatt, and here annual load factor is also given, that is 0.045. Formulas we should remember for this question is, first is load factor equal to average load divided by peak load. We have to calculate average load. Load factor and peak load is given. Next is energy supplied per year equal to average load into number of hour in 1 year, that is 365 into 24. The next formula is diversity factor equal to sum of individual maximum demands divided by actual peak load of the system. And next is demand factor equal to actual maximum demand divided by total connected load. All these four formula you should remember. First is average load. You know that load factor equal to average load divided by peak load. So average load we have to calculate. Load factor is 0.45 is given and peak load is also given 25 megawatt. So average load is equal to 0.45 multiplied by 25, that is equal to 11.25 megawatt. This is our first answer. Second is energy supplied per year equal to average load, that is just now we calculated, that is 11.25 megawatt, and number of hours in a year, that is equal to 365 into 24. So energy supplied per year equal to 98,550 megawatt hour. Generally we write down in kilowatt hour, so we can write like that 98.550 into 10 to the power 6 kilowatt hour. This is our second answer. Next is diversity factor. Diversity factor is equal to sum of individual maximum demands divided by the actual peak load of the system. The sum of individual maximum demands are given, that is 10 megawatt plus 8.5 megawatt plus 5 plus 4.5 megawatt divided by the actual peak load of the system, that is also given, equal to 25 megawatt. So diversity factor is, we can find out, is equal to 1.12. Diversity factor is always greater than 1. Next is demand factor. Demand factor is equal to actual maximum demand divided by the total connected load. So actual maximum demand or the actual peak load of the system are the same, so it is given 25 megawatt, and total connected load is also given, we can see here, is equal to 10 plus 8.5 plus 5 plus 4.5, that is equal to 28. So demand factor is, finally we calculated, is 0.89 or approximately 0.9. This is our fourth answer. So we calculated all the four unknown values